Hey Jimmy, Andy Santor. Thanks for coming today. Going to take a look at two videos we took of you face on. Now this video left was later in the session, and what we're trying to do, we're trying to get you in a better impact position because you were topping some shots. And I'll talk about what we're doing on the downswing when we're actually on our downswing, but you could already see how we have you stacked onto your left leg or lead leg over the ball, because we're trying to get you onto that lead leg more at impact. I'll go into the back swings of both. You'll see here video right, the earlier video where we are at the top of our backswing, video left where we are at the top of our backswing. So pretty much the same spots. You can tell you're a little bit more stacked, or your spine angle's more perpendicular to the ground. But most importantly, we will get you to impact. You'll see here video right, the earlier video, when we get to impact, our spine is tilted away from the target. So the times you feel your head or eyes coming up is because your your spine goes from this to this. So it's actually leaning backward into our downswing. Where video left, you'll see we do a better job of staying stacked or keeping our spine angle perpendicular to the ground. Something that is very important, and you can kind of just see where we finish there. We have a buckle in our lead leg here, video right, the earlier video where we're posting up onto our lead leg. Now if you look at your right leg, your right foot is still on the ground. We can still get more movement that way toward our target, and would not hurt you. More activity in the lower body, but did a much better job there of keeping that spine angle stacked, or what we call stacked or perpendicular to the ground, keeping it that way, and most importantly at impact position. So once again, the other times when you feel your head and eyes coming up, it's when that spine angle is leaning backwards, which means the bottom of our spine is target side of the top of our spine. So we're leaning backwards. That's where you feel that, where your head and eyes coming up, or head and eyes are coming up. So it's not what your head and eyes. As a matter of fact, we are not capable of making involuntary or voluntary movements in our head in a golf swing. It's what our torso or our upper body's doing, and our head is attached, to the top of our torso. So, work on that. Thanks for coming. We'll